Alright, so Garmin has just unveiled a premium edition to its MARQ series, and it's not exactly for the faint of heart or wallet. This is the MARQ Adventurer Damascus Steel edition. With a sleek, ultra-durable design and a price tag that sits at a cool $3,100, it's definitely a piece that's all about luxury and resilience. Let's get into what makes this watch so special. First off, Garmin has gone with Damascus Steel for the case and bezel here, which is as robust as it sounds. Known for its legendary strength, Damascus Steel has a unique, wavy pattern that makes each watch look a little different. Plus, you're getting a hybrid strap made of leather and high-durability fluorocarbon rubber, so it's ready for anything from a board meeting to a mountain trail. When it comes to specs and features, it's on par with the rest of the MARQ lineup, packed with all the essentials and then some. The screen itself is a sharp 1.2-inch AMOLED display with 390 by 390 resolution, and it's protected by sapphire crystal, which is basically the king of scratch resistance. With a water resistance rating of up to 10 ATM, this watch is as tough as it looks. Feature-wise, it's packed. You've got GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, a compass, barometric altimeter, gyroscope, and even a thermometer that can monitor body or ambient temperature. So you're covered whether you're tracking a workout or exploring off the beaten path. It can also track your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even stress levels. It's got practically everything you'd expect, so no need to go over all the details again. And it's not just about looks and durability. Through Garmin Connect, you can analyze every workout, monitor your performance, and even adjust training plans based on your goals. Plus, with Garmin Pay, you can go cashless on the go. So, if you're after a smartwatch that doesn't compromise on style or ruggedness, the MARQ Adventurer Damascus Steel Edition might just be what you're looking for. If you're ready to invest in it, that is. Let me know in the comments if you think this watch is worth the price tag. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out.